So if you're in the market for a wireless camera system that you don't want to have to worry about charging all the time, you're in the right place. Stick around. Welcome to WhatGear Reviews. If you're finding me for the first time, consider subscribing if you like tech reviews and loads of other tech related stuff. And today it is tech related stuff, and it's these Blink XT2 cameras. They're actually an Amazon company now, so Amazon saw this product, liked it so much that they put their name on it. But anyway, today what I'm going to do is unbox it and set it up, and then let you guys know how easy the installation was and what I think of the quality of the footage that these capture. And right now it's night time, so we're going to be testing the night vision in this video. But make sure you follow me on social media because I'll be posting some stuff on there with the daytime footage of these cameras. Anyway, are you ready? Let's go. So this is the Blink XT2 outdoor and indoor wire-free HD smart security camera. There's two of them in this box. And actually, I'm going to be giving away a set of these cameras to one of you lucky subscribers. So all you need to do to enter that competition is leave a comment and subscribe, and I will pick a winner at random, which I'll announce in the comment section of this video. So make sure you keep an eye on it. So let me show you some of the highlights of this product. So this one is a 2-camera system. It's got 2-way audio, which means you can speak and you can hear through the cameras. But this next one is what really surprised me, and it's a 2-year battery life. That means in a year and a half from now, I wouldn't have even had to have charged this, not even once. If that is true, this probably makes this one of the best wireless camera systems you can get right now. It's also got day and night HD coverage. As I mentioned, it's nighttime right now, so I'm going to test that out straight away. No monthly contracts. Now that's a pretty big deal. There's a lot of companies out there that you think are going to be free, and then when you look at the small print, there's a bit of money tied into it. I'm not going to mention any names, but I'm sure you guys can guess. You've got customizable motion detection, and I'm assuming that's within the software, within the app. You can choose the zones you want it to pick up in. And then this one is another feature that really impresses me, and it's the Alexa support. So if you have Alexa products around your house, I'm assuming you can use voice commands to switch your cameras on and off at any time with your voice. And what I'm going to do from the moment I unbox it and finish unboxing it, I'm going to show you guys the time, and then I'll come back and show you guys the time when I finish setting everything up, so you get an idea of how long it takes. Anyway, let's open this thing up. Here is one of the Blink cameras, and it looks like this box was actually designed for 3, but I've got 2, and the box that I'll be giving away will actually have 2 as well. Very lightweight cameras. The nice thing about them is they're all black, so they're very discreet. On the back, you've got a bit of instructions here on what to do when you set it up. Let's put those cameras to one side for a moment. You've got a couple of screws here, a couple of screws there, 2 screws for each camera. And then these are the wall brackets. Batteries are included, and it really amazes me that just these 2 little batteries can keep these cameras going for so long. So there's a quick setup guide and some leaflets here. You've even got a Blink sticker, so you can put that on your window to let people know you got your property under surveillance. And this is the Blink hub. That is tiny. I've seen other similar products where their hubs are huge. That is all it is. It's literally got a USB port on the side and then another USB port here on the side, and that is it. A couple of LEDs on the top, a Wi-Fi light and a power light. Nothing else. UK power brick, European power brick, and a USB-B cable. The time right now is 10:20. It's a bit late to be drilling holes in the walls, but I'm going to do it for you guys. So let's see how long it takes to set up. So both cameras are set up now. I've been messing around with the app a bit. It took me until 11:08 to get everything up and running properly on the phone and get the cameras fitted to the wall. All it took was the ladder, a drill and some wall plugs, and that was it. It's all set up and it's already working properly. Let's go back inside. So it's all set up now. I'm back indoors. I had to set my camera and everything up again, but it's roughly 11:30 now. I finished it around 11:08, so it takes just over half an hour to really get these two cameras set up properly. A couple of things I'll mention about the installation process of these cameras, having just done it literally just now, is make sure you got a drill, make sure you got some wall plugs and a ladder, and that's pretty much all you need. 2 screws per camera. I would advise you put them quite high up so that people can't reach them and just pull them down, because the way they fit to the back plate, they literally just click on and they can be clicked off quite easy, so try and keep them out of arm's reach. When it came to actually programming the cameras with the app, it was super easy. Just create an account and then the app actually walks you through each step on how to do it. And one of the things that I really like about these Blink cameras, and I noticed, was when you take the back off, it's a little bit tough to do it first. You have to pull the little catch down and pull the bottom part up. The way it has this really nice watertight seal, it's almost like a suction when you separate the back from the camera, so you can rest assured that these are very weather resistant. So when it comes to the installation process on these, I would say anybody who can drill a couple of holes and screw in a couple of screws could set this up. All right, I'm going to give you guys a quick tour of the Blink app and show you some of the features it has. So of course, you've got a list of all the recordings so far. It shows you the storage. You can actually choose when to auto delete footage. So once your storage gets full, it can automatically delete stuff, or you can set it to like 3 days, 7 days, 14 days, etc. You can request images at any time from the cameras. You can look at the live view at any time through the cameras, and you can speak or listen, and then you have the choice to save or discard that live view footage as well. If we go into the settings on one of the devices, you can rename it. It will show you the battery level, the temperature outside at the time, but this is really important, the activity zones. So here you can grey out certain areas where you don't want it to pick up, and if you want to take it to another level, you can actually go into advanced settings, and then it'll actually break those little squares down into smaller squares, so you can get really specific with where it's going to pick up and not pick up. So that's a great feature there, especially if you've got like moving trees and stuff in view of the camera, because you can make sure it avoids those. Then you've got re-trigger time. So once it detects something, how long should it wait before it re-detects something? So I've set it to 20 seconds. Sensitivity, the clip length, you can actually set it all the way up to 60 seconds if you want. I'm going to keep it on 15 seconds. You've got the option to end the clip early if the movement stops. And then you can actually change the IR illuminator settings as well. And you've got the quality settings here as well. So it's on best at the moment. So that's where you're going to get 2-year battery life. If you enhance it, you're going to get higher res footage, but less battery life. You can then also enable the microphone, change the volume of the speaker built into the camera, and then it will show you the strength of Wi-Fi and the strength to the sync module, which is the little square box I showed you earlier. At the bottom of the home screen here, you can disarm and arm the system, but you can also set a schedule for when you want it to go live as well, which is quite cool. In the top left corner here, you have loads of stuff to do with your settings, and also the forum is very useful as well. So if you have any questions, a lot of the questions have already been asked by people, and you can look up the answers there quite easily. So that's how the app looks. It's really, really easy to use, incredibly easy to set up. I'm very happy with it at this point. So another really cool feature about the Blink XT cameras is you can have up to 10 of these on a single hub. 2 come with this kit here. I think a single camera is around £90. You can use them indoors and outdoors. They work at night time and daytime. They have audio. You can speak through them. So if someone's hanging around in your garden, you can be like, hey, get the hell out of here. And I'm going to be using these for a while now. So maybe in about a year from now, I'll give you guys a little update on how these batteries are lasting. And I'm also quite interested to try this out with some Alexa devices to see how it really ties into that ecosystem. But if you're wondering if I recommend the Blink XT cameras over some of the other cameras that are out there right now, you know what? For the price, the quality, and how easy it is to set them up, I think it's one of the best smart security cameras you can get right now. So go check them out. There'll be a link below this video, and if you enjoyed this one, make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Don't be late. So if you guys are interested in picking one of these up today, you can find the Amazon Blink XT2 cameras at Very, Amazon, Argos, John Lewis and Screwfix. And there'll be links below this video where you can pick it up directly from Amazon and have it shipped to your house tomorrow. Go check it out.